పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6 మనకు అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టార్స్ టాపిక్లోంచి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తాడు. రెగ్యులర్గా వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అట్లాగే వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేన్ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రెగ్యులర్గా అడుగుతున్నాడు. లెట్ us see first the formulae based on vector equation of line and vector equation of plane. First, equation of line which is passing through point A and parallel to B vector. Line passing through point A parallel to B vector, that is denoted by R bar equal to A bar plus TB bar, where T is real number. Next, 2-point form of equation of line, R bar equal to 1 minus TA bar plus TB bar. మీకు ఈక్వేషన్స్ రావాలి, జస్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఉంటుంది అంతే. ఫార్ములాకి 1 మార్క్, సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్కి 1 మార్క్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేన్స్ చూడండి, 3 టైప్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ప్లేన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ 3 నాన్ కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్కి వచ్చేసి R bar equal to 1 minus S minus TA bar plus TB bar plus SC bar. Plane passing through 2 points parallel to C vector emo R bar equal to 1 minus TA bar plus TB bar plus SC bar. Passing through point A parallel to BC అయితేనేమో R bar equal to A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar రాయాలి, where T, S they are real. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకుంటేనే మీరు ఈజీగా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. లిమిటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఒక 6 to 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయితే చాలు, ఈజీగా పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది అందులో. సి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. హియర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ A bar, B bar, C bar are the position vectors of the vertices of triangle ABC. Then find the vector equation of median through A అంటున్నాడు. ముందు ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేద్దాం మనం. This is triangle ABC. మీడియన్ త్రూ ఏ అన్నాడు కదా. మీడియన్ అంటే ఒక వర్టెక్స్ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి, ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ మిడిల్ పాయింట్ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి. బీసీ మిడిల్ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఎం చూజ్ చేసుకుందాం. నౌ రిక్వైర్డ్ మీడియన్ విచ్ ఈజ్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ 2 పాయింట్స్ ఏ అండ్ ఎం. ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలన్నమాట. ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. మీడియన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం. జస్ట్ ఫార్ములాకి 1 మార్క్, సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్కి 1 మార్క్ కదా. లెట్ మీడియన్ త్రూ క్యాపిటల్ A ఈజ్ MA వెక్టార్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం 2 పాయింట్ ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. What is 2 point form of equation of line in vector algebra? By 2 point form I can write R bar equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus TB bar. It is general formula. But here the 2 points are not AB, A and M. So that we get R bar equal to 1 minus T of A bar plus T of M vector. In place of second point B, you have the point M. Due to that reason, B bar written as M bar. And clearly from the figure, M is middle point of BC here. So midpoint formula M vector equal to B plus C divided by 2 here. Therefore, you can write R bar equal to 1 minus T of A bar plus T of M is middle point of BC, so that B plus C divided by 2, where T is real. This is equation of median through capital A. Very simple. You have to write the formula and then substitution. Let us move to the next one. OABC be a parallelogram. OA vector A vector, OC vector C vector. Find the vector equation of side BC is given. Suppose that there is a parallelogram O A B C. OABC be a parallelogram. OA vector is given as A vector and OC vector is given as C vector. Then the aim is to find side BC. Yes, ఈ BC line equation కావాలి మనకు. Clearly it is passing through 2 points B and C. కదా, C అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి వెళ్తుంది, B అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి వెళ్తుంది. అదే రాద్దాం మనం. Vector equation of BC, it is passing through two points B as well as C here, right? So we can apply 2-point form. By 2-point form, I can write the equation of straight line r bar equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus tb bar. Yes, here the points B and C. So that 1 minus t into B bar plus t times of C bar, where t is real. See the figure. A bar, C bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram. By parallelogram law, this diagonal can be written as A plus C. Here, in the next step, I am going to write 1 minus t into B bar plus, here B bar written as OB vector actually. From the figure, OB bar is same as B bar, same as A plus C by parallelogram law. Therefore, in place of B bar, I am going to write A plus C, remaining TC bar as it is. So now I can write R vector 1 into A bar, 1 into C bar, minus T into A bar, minus T into C bar, plus T into C bar, where T is real. Neglecting T into C bar, we get R bar equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus, this is 1 minus T into A bar plus C bar. Yes, this is the equation. Or simply you can write with another method. It is also written as, simply first C bar I am going to write plus this 1 minus T into A bar, you can write C bar plus lambda into A bar also, where lambda is real. You may write C bar plus 1 minus T into A bar or C bar plus lambda A bar, whatever it is. Okay, next. Find the vector equation of line passing through a point and parallel to a vector is given. So here required line is passing through point A and is parallel to a vector. Suppose that is B bar. Here the point A, whose coordinates given by 2, 3, 1, and B vector, that is 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Now vector equation of line I am going to write. General formula, vector equation of a line passing through capital A and parallel to B bar is. You know the formula R bar equal to A bar plus T B bar, that's all, where T is real value. From this I can write R vector. A vector is from the point A, I can write 2i plus 3j plus k plus T times of B vector, that is 4i minus 2j plus 3 times of k, where T is real. Just formula you will get 1 mark, and for substitution another mark. You may also simplify this, or you can write finally R bar equal to 2 plus 4t of I cap, next 3 minus 2t of j cap, and then 1 plus 3t of k cap, where t belongs to real. This is the answer. Next question, based on 2-point form. See the question. Find vector equation of line passing through the points 2i plus j plus 3k minus 4i plus 3j minus k is given. Yes, you have to apply 2-point form of equation of line. Here coordinates of A 2, 1, minus 3, sorry, plus 3, and coordinates of B minus 4, 3, minus 1, minus 4, 3, minus 1. Yes, I am going to write required vector equation of straight line. It is passing through two different points. And in which first point A coordinates 2, 1, 3, and another point B coordinates minus 4, 3, minus 1. So you have to apply 2-point form of vector equation of line. So that here I am going to write by 2-point form. I can write R vector equal to 1 minus T of A bar plus T of B bar, where T is real. So from this R vector can be written as 1 minus T into A vector. Here first vector 2i plus j plus 3k, next T times of B vector minus 4i plus 3j minus k. T is real. That's all. This is equation of straight line passing through given 2 points. Next, find the equation of plane passing through 3 points. Plane passing through 3 non-collinear points with the formula R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into A bar plus T B bar plus S C bar we have to use. See here, there is a plane which is passing through 3 points. What are they? 1, minus 2, 5, first point coordinates. Another point whose coordinates 0, minus 5, minus 1, and another point C coordinates minus 3, plus 5, 0. I am going to write plane passing through 3 points first. Vector equation of plane passing through 3 points. I am going to write formula R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar, where T and S are real. Therefore, R vector equal to 1 minus S minus T of, what is A vector? That is first one, I minus 2j plus 5k. Next, T times of B vector, minus 5j minus k. Next, S times of third vector, minus 3i plus 5j. That's all. Just you have to write the formula for which 1 mark awarded, and by substitution you will get another mark. So totally this is 2 marks question. Very simple question. Just you know the formula, then you can easily get 2 marks. Again the same model, plane passing through 3 points. We know that vector equation of the plane passing through A, B, C, that is defined by R vector equal to 1 minus S minus T of A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar, where T and S are real. And here first point, that is null vector. Second point, here I can write from this, A bar is 0 bar. Next, second point B, coordinates 0, 5, 0 implies B bar written as simply 5j. Coordinates of C, 2, 0, 1 implies C bar equal to 2i plus k. Therefore, R vector written as 1 minus S minus T into A bar is 0 bar, next plus T into B bar written as 5j, S into C vector written as 2i plus k, where T, S they are real. That's all. This is vector equation of plane. Next, plane passing through a point is given and remaining 2 parallel vectors. Diagram first I am going to draw. Given the plane passing through a point A whose coordinates 1, 2, 3 and parallel to 2 vectors B bar and C bar. Coordinates given minus 2, 3, 1, and here 2, minus 3, 4. Yes, I am going to write here the formula first. We know that vector equation of the plane it is passing through the point capital A and it is parallel to B bar comma C bar, that is denoted by R bar equal to A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar. This is the formula and for which we get 1 mark. Now substitute A bar, B bar, C bar. Implies what we get, R vector equal to first A bar. From the point A, I can write I plus 2j plus 3k plus T into another vector. Here you have minus 2i plus 3j plus k. Next plus S times of C bar, 2i minus 3j plus 4k it is, where t comma s are real. Next, prove by vector method x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a comma b non-zero, that is intercept form of equation of straight line. In coordinate geometry, in two-dimensional system, you have intercept form of straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a comma b are x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. So here the proof by vector method we have to prove. See, on two-dimensional system there is a straight line. Its equation we need to prove x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where intercepts are given x-intercept a and y-intercept b. Here it is origin, x-axis and y-axis. Yes. When the line intersects x-axis, suppose the point is A and coordinates a comma 0. Next point B, coordinates 0 comma b here. From the figure it is very clear that line is passing through 2 points A and B. Since x-intercept is given A, non-zero intercepts given in the question, since x-intercept equal to A, it is non-zero. Next, y-intercept, that is B, also non-zero. And from figure, using 2-point form, clearly line passing through 2 points A and B. So I am using 2-point form of equation of line. R vector written as by 2-point form 1 minus t into A bar plus t B bar, where t is real. Here A vector is clearly OA vector, B vector is OB vector, and observe OA vector written as AI plus 0j. This is AI plus 0j. Next, OB bar 0i plus bj it is 0i plus bj. Therefore, R vector equal to 1 minus t of AI cap plus t into b into j cap. But R bar is in two-dimensional system, it can be written as xi plus yj, that is 1 minus t into a of I plus t into b of j. So that on comparing I and j components here, from I components you can write x equal to 1 minus t of a, and j components if you compare y equal to b into t, implies the value of x by a equal to 1 minus t and the value of y by b it is equal to t. Now if you add these two, x by a plus y by b, I am going to write combination of these two 1 minus t plus t, 1 minus t plus t. So in the next step I can write x by a plus y by b equal to t gets cancelled 1. This is the answer. So by vector method, when x-intercept a, y-intercept b, they are non-zero quantities, then by vector method using 2-point form of vector equation of line, you can prove that x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So you can easily score 2 marks when you know vector equation of straight line 2 types and vector equation of plane 3 types. Simple questions you can get easily 2 marks. Thank you.